Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a bad edge up full guide. Begin by cleaning the neck and outlining with a trimmer to create a baseline. Use a comb and scissors to remove uneven lengths, then blend with clippers using grain-consistent strokes. Finish with a razor for crisp lines and apply lightweight styling product to set the shape and avoid overcutting. Start by laying out all tools and sanitizing them to prevent irritation. Position the client or mirror so the head is level and stable. Decide on guard lengths for fades or regular trims and test on a small area. Use a comb to lift hair and set guidelines, proceeding slowly with short strokes. Keep checking symmetry from multiple angles as you progress. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice timers right to your workspace, making cuts more enjoyable and precise. It pairs easily with phones and keeps your hands free for trimming. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it makes a fun gift for at-home grooming. Now let's get back to the video. Work methodically from the baseline upward, using clipper over comb for gradual blending. Cut in small increments, constantly comparing both sides for balance. When creating crisp lines, tilt the clippers slightly and move with steady pressure for control. For softer transitions, use guard-less fading motions and blend with scissors. Finish by cleaning stray hairs and refining the outline to achieve a polished edge-up that looks intentional and fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.